In this video we're reviewing Nextcloud File Storage, a self-hosted cloud solution that gives you full control over your data. Nextcloud is open-source software you can install on your own server or use a managed host, letting you decide exactly where your files live. It offers file syncing and sharing, granular permissions, encryption, two-factor authentication, and add-ons for calendars, contacts, chat, and document collaboration. Reviewers praise its flexibility and privacy since you control your data and there's no scanning or hidden algorithms. Performance is solid under the right setup, but large files may sync slowly, and some add-ons can cause instability. Because it's self-hosted, technical skills are needed for installation, updates, backups, and server management. Misconfigurations can risk data loss if not handled carefully. If you're comfortable managing a server and want full data control, Nextcloud is a strong choice. For those who prefer plug-and-play low-maintenance cloud storage, a hosted service might be better. If this review helped, hit subscribe for more honest cloud storage insights.